Hi, you're watching Photoshop CS4 tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create a basic black and white conversion, but also to be able to repeat it many times using actions. Actions are a very useful module within Photoshop CS4 and CS3, which allows you to batch produce images to a specific criteria. Today I'm going to do a basic black and white conversion to create this image from this photo here. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Black and White. Don't need to change the name, that's fine. I don't tend to fiddle with them, they're all fine. If you need to fiddle with them, you can modify them later. So, we've created that layer, and that's fine. So, that's a basic black and white conversion. Now I'm going to show you how to do it many times. So, if we go File, and then Revert, take the image back to where it was. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the Actions panel. Now, if that's not showing, it will be under the History. So just press the Actions tab on the right of your History tab, and you'll see that there is a default Actions folder. These are the actions that come with Photoshop CS4, and there are a few, but they aren't really very useful. So we're just going to leave that alone, but we're going to create a new folder. So we'll click on that icon there, and I'm going to call it Actions. Right, so now I'm all ready to go. As you can see, there's no actions recorded in there. But now I want to create a new action, so I'm going to select the actions folder, and then I'm going to press this button here. It's the same as the new layer icon, but if you hold over it will say create new action, and that will create the action within the actions folder. So I'm going to call this basic black and white, and then I'm going to press record. Now, you don't have to rush through this, because actions will only record the settings, it will not record your mouse movement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat the steps that I did before. So I'm going to layer, new adjustment layer, black and white. I'm going to keep the layer name as it is, and then I'm going to hit OK. Right, as you can see, that's done that, but now I'm just going to edit the sliders a bit to increase the contrast. Right, okay, so now I've got that. Now all we need to do is it's up here, so I'm just going to adjust the sliders down. I don't want it too contrasty, but I want it to make it a bit moody at the same time. So I'm just making very gentle adjustments, but actions will record all of this. Right, I'll just leave it as that, and now I think that's fine, so I'm just going to hit stop. Now, as you can see, there's basic black and white. It's got all the features. Make adjustment layer. There are all the settings. Select the channel, and then you set the adjustments. Right, so that's all done. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit revert, and I'm going to test out the work. So we've got that. I'm going to select basic black and white and press play. There we are. So now whenever I start at Photoshop, actions will be there. I can open the actions folder and I can press basic black and white. Just to show you, I'll just check that that works. Load up another raw file. Go into the actions folder, select basic black and white and press play. And there we are. A nice simple actions conversion which will work with any image that you want. It saves a lot of time, increases your workflow, and I find it very useful and I use it a lot. Thanks for watching, and check out more of my videos.